Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today I'm super excited. We're going to be working in my $1,000 savings binder. And the way we are doing this one, I am saving towards $1,000 being added into my savings account for the year. So I'm super excited. Well, for one thing, be very proud of me. I actually put some stickers on it now, so I know what number I'm on. I probably should have put them the other way, but you know, I can't be perfect at everything, you know, or anything, whatever. All right, so I'm super excited though because we have our usual $100 that we're bringing in, but on top of that, we also had some money from our Disney 12-month challenge. So we got August, Marie here, and we are bringing in $10, $20, $30, $40, $41 with that. So $141 we get to play. I'm so excited. All right, let's go ahead. Let's roll our six-sided die, see where it's going to take us today, what we're going to be doing. Actually, let's go through them really quick. That way I can get them all pulled out as well. So spot number 1, we've got our Dorothy's dollars, and this is coming from Kimmy's Corner. Spot number 2, we have this one from Beezy's Things. That's going to save us $60. Spot number 3, we brought in last time we were in here. This one is from Becca Can Budget, Decide Your Own Fate. We're playing it a little bit different. I think we got a good chance of maybe finishing this one this time. This is from Save with Glow, our little Care Bear savings. We only got 2 left, so if we get number 4, we're definitely going to get that one finished. All right, spot number 5, we've got our Baby Groot Challenge from Budget with Amanda. We're doing $4 for each Baby Groot. And last but not least, we got this one from Budgeting with Lysandra. And it is, I wake up every day with a good attitude, and then idiots happen. And that's a roll and save that we've got there. All right, let's go ahead, roll our dice, see what we're working with. I'm going to roll a 6-sided die to see which one we're going to go to, and then the 4 will show us where we're going to go within that game. All right, we're going to start with spot number 6. I did get a 1, but we actually are going to go ahead and roll because we do a roll and save for this one, and I do the 6-sided die. So $5 to get us started. Nice. All right, let's see where we going to next. Spot number 4. Ooh, yay. So we only got 2 left on this one, so it really doesn't matter which one we do. $2. So we need one more number 4. Oh, and we got number 4 again. Awesome sauce. Well, that was a fast one. So we are going to go ahead and finish up our cute little Care Bear savings here. So we need 2 more dollars. And let's see how much this one saved us total. So we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, $44. Nice. Thank you, Glow. And let's go ahead, write 44 on here. And $1,000 savings. So that way, when I pull it out, I remember where it goes. I should remember, but you never know. Never say for certain, you know. All right, so let's get ourselves a little smiley clip on there and set him off to the side. Do we want to bring another one in? Oh, you know what? No, we're just gonna, that's gonna be, no, I can't. Give me a minute, friends. I gotta bring one in. I can't just not do anything. You know what? This one's right on top, and this one is also from Save with Glow. So let's go ahead and put this one in, and it's gonna be our, this would have been a cute little color and save, or not color and save, a scratch off as well, but I kind of want to keep the scratch offs out of here. So let's go ahead. What number do you belong in? Spot number 4. There we go. Okay. Onward we go. I'm not used to adding things in the middle there. All right, spot number 1. We're going to do a 3, 1, 2, and 3. So $1 for our Dorothy's Dollars. Keep it going, Dorothy. Dorothy has been in here since the beginning. She's holding strong. Spot number 2, we got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $6. Nice. Nice big saver there. Alrighty, spot number 6. So let's roll that 6 again, and we got a 1 this time. I do apologize if you can hear the noise in the background. My husband's, you know, doing things. Life goes on. Hope everybody is having themselves a wonderful week. Having yourself some fun times. Nice weather, hopefully. All right, 4. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So $2. Just writing all over myself. Next, we're going to try that new one for spot number 4. We got a 3. So they're kind of all over the place. 1, 2, 3, let's say. You know what? These only go up to 4, so let's do it that way. Whatever number we get, we'll try and color that number in. So it was a 3, so we did 3. Let's try and do it that way as I throw my marker around. All right, spot number 4 again, and we got a 4. Okay, so let's put one of those ones back and grab a 5. Next, we're going to go over here to spot number 3. Yay, we haven't played in this one yet today. And we got a 1, so we're going to get started right here with a 3. Okay, back to number 4 again. This one's getting lots of love today. And another 3. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, and a 5 is 10. Not too bad for just getting started. All right, spot number 5. We got ourselves a baby Groot right there. Do we have a 1 so we can grab a 5? Oh, and we got a 5. So let's go ahead and pull $6 and grab ourselves a 10. Nice. Spot number 2. I just realized I never put my chair up, so I'm feeling rather short right now, but that's okay. It's so funny because the desk I'm sitting at right now, I have another desk behind me, and I need my chair low for my desk that's behind me, and I like it taller for this one. So $3. Yes, I'm second guessing myself, but we're doing blue today. All right, number 1, Dorothy. It's going to be so weird when we don't have Dorothy anymore. We got to do somebody else. 2, 1, 2 for $2. 2, 2, 2. Well, let's see. Can we condense it all? Oh, yeah. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like we're starting to run low on 1s there. Oop, just 1, Teresa. Alrighty. Number 4. All the love today. And we got a 2. I'd love to know down below, how do you guys like to save? So this is a fun way. So I know, like, most everybody, I feel like, says to start out with $1,000 for an emergency fund. So if you're looking for a way to do it, this is a fun way. You can print everything out, and it won't cost you too much. But we got 1, 2, 3. $2. Plus, it's just a lot of fun. Oh, we got a lot of 1s in here. Let's see if we can do a little condensing. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Oh my gosh, look at all these. Okay. Hold your horses here. We've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. There's where all of our change went. Taking all the money. Okay. Let's see, where are we going to next? Spot number 3. And we got a 3. So 1, 2, 3. We got 4 now. I see $1 poking out. So let's put that back and grab a 5. Spot number 1, Dorothy. And we got a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. $2. All right, spot number 1 again. So 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're getting down there, friends. $1 for that one. Yeah, this one is from Kimmy's Corners, and she's got all the Golden Girls, and it's $1 and $2 savers for each one. So spot number 1 again, 2. Got 1, 2. So $1. Come on, Dorothy, let's finish you up today. You've been at this a long time. Spot number 2, we got 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now, if I lose my spot on where some of these are at, be kind. You know, it's okay if I make mistakes. Let's flip that around. Working our way through number 3 here. And we got a 3, 1, 2, 3 for 3. So we got 2 1s and a 5. So 3, 4, 5, and a 5 is 10. Nice. Spot number 5. Nice. We haven't done too many of these today. Got ourselves a 4 there. Let's put 1 back as I write on everything. Oh my gosh. At least it was my black binder, thankfully. And we grab a 5. I would have been really upset if I just wrote on my new pink one. All right, spot number 2. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself there. All right, I think I went here last time. So 2. We got 1, 2. So $3. Spot number 2 again, and 2, 1, 2, so 6. Let's see, we got 4 1s, 6, so 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Spot number 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, no, Teresa, no. Just one of them, doesn't matter for this one. You know, you can't win them all. 1, 2, 3, $4. Spot number 6. All right, let's do some roll and save. And we got a 6. Nice. Let's see. Do we have 4? No, but we do have a 5. So let's grab a 10 and a 1. Spot number 2 again. This one's wanting to definitely finish up today. Maybe. Never say never, you know. 1, 2, I believe. So 4. Let's grab a 1 and grab a 5. Spot number 6 again. Come on, Lysandra. Bring us in the big bucks. And a 6. Nice. All right, let's see. What do we got now? 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Oop. I'm getting a little crazy there, Teresa. Calm down. All right, spot number 2, and we got a 1. So I believe we're up here. Ooh, we only got 1 left after this, friends. So 1, 2. Let's see. Can we condense any? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. That would be a no. Almost, though. Okay. We're going to get another 2 today. Spot number 4, we got a 2. Spot number 6, nice. And a 3. So anybody got any fun plans for next weekend? It's Father's Day. It is Juneteenth, so we are closed for Juneteenth. So long weekend, which will be nice. And I'm going to go see my friend, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to go visit her. She's got a convention she wants to go to, so we're going to go do that. Should be a good time. Spot number 5, got 4, so we can definitely grab 1 and grab a 5. Spot number 1, Dorothy, you're making your moves today. 4. Don't remember where I was. So 1, 2, 3, 4. $2. We got 3 left on that one. So fingers crossed, friends. Ooh, are we finishing? We are! Yay! Yay, yay, yay! We're finishing another one. Since we are so late in the game now, I am going to just, if we get another one, we will be done. I don't think I grabbed my dollar. So let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 is 10. Don't have any more 20s, but that's okay. So we got 10, 20, 40, $60 from our Beezy's Thing Saver. Thank you. So let's go ahead, circle our save 60 and write $1,000 savings. Because, you know, we got to keep track of where our money needs to go. Yay, though, friends. That is a good chunk we are putting into our savings today. Like I said, if we get 2 again, it will be a choose your own adventure kind of style. And you know I'm going to spot number 1. All right. Spot number 3. And we got a 1 for $5. Nice. We still got some money over here we get to play with. We're not over just yet. All right. Spot number 4. And we got a 2. I feel like this one's like trying to be finished all in 1 week. It's a pretty good saver too, $35. All right, spot number 5. Our Baby Groot challenge for $4. Let's grab a 1 and bring in a 5. Spot number 1. Come on, Dorothy girl. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1. Got 2 more to go. Spot number 5. All right. So let's grab a 1 and grab a 5. Little tradesies there. Spot number 3. And 2. 1, 2. So another $3. 1, 2, 3. Spot number 3 again. We got 2, 1, 2. So $3. 1, 2, 3. Lots of 3s today. Spot number 5. We're going to do another one of these. Grab our dollar and put a 5. All right. Spot number 6. Let's see, what are we getting for our roll and save? $4. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, let's get Dorothy some wins today. I don't know if it's going to happen, friends. Okay, we got a 1. Come on, we need a 1 or a 2. Number 5. I don't know if it's going to happen, friends. It's not looking good for us. All right. This one only needs 1 more, too, though. So 1, 2, 3. Do we got any 1s in here? Oh, good. We got 1 left. Grab that 1. Put in a 5. Our last 5. So what do we got left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, spot number 3. And we got a 3. 1, 2, 3. We don't have enough for that one, I don't think. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just going to color in a 4. All right. Well, darned it all. We were close on a couple. But next time, maybe. You know what? Let me grab some bigger bills really quick, and let's condense this as we go through. Well, you know what? No, we're not going to worry about what we've got in each one. I will condense this afterwards. Not going to make you guys watch that. That way it'll be a surprise next time when we get back into it. But alrighty, friends. It was an adventure today. We did get 2 of them finished. Yay. And what are we bringing in? $104. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That is such a huge amount that we are bringing in to our $1,000 savings. So if you haven't done your $1,000 savings yet, this would be a fun way to do it. Just saying. Alrighty, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.